Hello everyone. I am Jenny and welcome to my YouTube channel. I will be talking about trending technology that is ChatGPT AI tool. ChatGPT is a state-of-the-art conversational language model developed by OpenAI. It is a type of artificial intelligence model that uses deep learning algorithms to generate human-like text based on the input it receives. The model is pre-trained on a massive corpus of text data, which enables it to generate coherent and meaningful responses to a wide range of questions and prompts. ChatGPT is built using the Transformer architecture, which is a type of neural network that is well suited for natural language processing tasks. The pre-training process involves feeding the model a large amount of text data and allowing it to learn patterns and relationships within the data. Once the model has been pre-trained, it can be fine-tuned for specific applications, such as chatbots, long-gauge translation, and text summarization, by adjusting its parameters to perform a specific task. In general, ChatGPT is highly capable of understanding context and generating informative, coherent, and human-like responses. This makes it a powerful tool for a wide range of applications, from customer service and support to creative writing and more. OpenAI is the organization that developed ChatGPT. OpenAI is a non-profit artificial intelligence research laboratory consisting of the for-profit subsidiary OpenAI LP and its parent company, the non-profit OpenAI Incorporated. It was founded in December 2015 by Elon Musk, Sam Altman, Greg Brockman, Ilya Sutskever, Wojciech Zaremba, and John Schulman with the goal of promoting and developing friendly AI in a way that benefits humanity as a whole. OpenAI has been at the forefront of research and development in the field of artificial intelligence and has made significant contributions to the development of advanced AI models such as ChatGPT. The exact launch date of ChatGPT is not specified. However, OpenAI has been continuously developing and improving the GPT series of language models, with GPT-3 being the latest and most advanced version of the model. GPT-3 was released in June 2020, and since then, it has been widely used for various natural language processing tasks and has received significant attention from the research community. Version of the model. GPT-3 was released in June 2020, and since then, it has been widely used for various natural language processing tasks and has received significant attention from the research community. Thank you so much for your time to watching my videos. Please subscribe to my channel and share this video in your friends and family. Stay tuned for latest and trending topics. I will meet you in next video. Thank you.